What is up to my 2 subscribers? Today's video is going to be on blow-off valves. This is a Tial knockoff from eBay. I'm going to talk about a little bit about them. If there's any questions people may have, maybe this will cover it. There's a lot of good videos on these. I'm just making them for if someone has like the same thought patterns and process of motors and turbos that's new to the scene, and hopefully I can help out to what I know, what I figured out. But this right here is like I said, a knockoff version. You basically got one reference line, just go straight to a vacuum source. And what I have done is on my stock truck intake, on the back you got this hose. I've got to trim it up, but I ran it to a vacuum block, and then I got this end capped off with a little rubber nipple cap. I'll probably change that to a plug to plug the end of this, because just in case this fails, I don't want any issue with that. I have a couple spares in the car, but I just need to go ahead and bite the bullet and order one of those. Just to make it a little cleaner, this one is referenced to my boost gauge, and this one, like I said, you follow it all the way up to the blow-off valve itself. Nothing too difficult to install. That's just the way I did it. I guess since I'm going to put a since I've installed the catch can, I've got this blocked off. So I guess technically you could run your, if you didn't have a vacuum block, you could run your reference line to this. Just take that nipple off and voila. So with this being said, I don't know if I'll be able to get the spring to lift up, but anyways, at idle that should be opened. I don't know why people think it should be closed, but it should be open. The reason being is when you're under pressure, when you're building boost, you want it closed so it charges, charge pipes. So this needs to be closed at all times when you're building boost. And that's pretty much it. Pretty self-explanatory, easy to hook up. I mean, you got this bolt right here, you got a little rubber piece that goes in the flange, and it's pretty self-explanatory once you get it situated and fixed. But anywho, that is a little short summary of blow-off valves on any application that's a turbo with one of these style blow-off valves. Some people don't run them, but you know, I like the sound, so I'll run it.